Here in New Mexico, there are over 5,600 DACA recipients, but with this program being reinstated, that means that more youth and young adults who were brought here as children can now apply, which would give them temporary status to live and work in the United States. Relief for thousands of undocumented immigrants across the country as a federal judge ordered the reinstatement of the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals, also known as DACA.
Finally, seeing USCIS do what a court told it to do on Monday, I think really just energized a lot of people who have been waiting for this for a long time.
The Trump administration terminated the DACA program in September 2017, but in June 2020, the Supreme Court ruled that the administration hadn't followed proper procedure in ending it. And in July 2020, the program was allowed to continue, but it wasn't open to new recipients.
It's really important because there are many individuals who graduate high school, for example, who don't have the opportunity to pursue their careers.
Since the news was announced, the New Mexico Immigrant Law Center has received over 50 calls a day.
So we are definitely seeing that a lot of folks are really interested. I think there's still a lot of uncertainty with the DACA program because there's still underlying litigation against the constitutionality of the program.
Advocates say those who might qualify for the program should meet with an immigration attorney as soon as possible.
People just need to understand if they're eligible and also what the implications are of applying.
And later this month in Texas, a judge will be hearing arguments on whether or not this program is constitutional. That decision will likely determine how the Biden administration will move forward. Reporting in Albuquerque, Marissa Armas, KOAT Action 7 News.
It is important to note the DACA program does not give immigrant youth U.S. citizenship, but advocates say they are working on a permanent path to citizenship.